Hello, welcome. Hi, guys. We're back for a little more Animal Crossing Happy Home Paradise. I don't know why that title, I always kind of hesitate before saying it. It's like, that's a lot of words. But yeah, we're here for a little more designing fun on Happy Home Paradise. I just landed, and Nico is letting me know that Lottie has a message. Before you visit any client's homes, she wants you to pop into the office for a quick check-in. Message delivered. Good job, Nico. Oh, I love the big bear. She's so cute. And oh, Octavian, I still need to do a home for you. So let's find... Oh, I've heard of you. Hi, Barreled. He's hilarious. Let's find our message in the bottle, and then we will check in with Miss Lottie. Lottie Dottie. And it's a vine lamp. I know this one, I think. Yep. Another one just to go into storage. If anybody ever sees me pick up a recipe that they would like, I would be happy. Oh, Nana. Happy to arrange for you to come visit my island or me to come visit yours and drop it off. So I don't know if any of you watch a YouTube and Twitch streamer, Tag Back TV. He does some amazing, I love his content. He's just an amazing human being and very entertaining to watch. Nana tortured him for I don't know how many days when he was trying to kick her off his island. It was hilarious. Oh, it was so funny to watch. You should look it up. All right, so let's see what Miss Lottie has. I didn't play this yesterday. I'm so sorry. I know in my New Horizons video I did yesterday morning, I said I would. Ooh, the wagon. Oh, I don't have room for that, do I? I might. We'll make room for it on the farm. I ended up just spending most of the day cuddled with my dogs on the sofa. I just needed a low-key kind of day. Oh, there's a new machine in here. That's what Lottie wants to tell us about. Do you notice anything new over there? I sure do. It's an ABD. Of course, that stands for Automatic Bell Dispenser, but it can also dispense our local currency, Pokey. Nice. I guess it's actually an A, B, and PD, but that's a bit of a mouthful when you just need some pocket change. The relative that sent over the Amiibo scanner also sent this. It lets you deposit Pokey or withdraw Pokey and also exchange Pokey into bells or vice versa. The exchange rate changes every day and there's a limit on how much you can exchange each day. Keep that in mind when using it, okay? After all, you worked hard for those Pokey and I imagine you might want to exchange them for bells for home. Nice. A little planning ahead might go a long way. I wasn't fully paying attention. Can I exchange bells for Pokey as well? Or just Pokey and... Does it go both ways? Did she say it goes both ways? That sounds wrong too. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah. 100 Pokey equals 270 bells. Oh, so it is just Pokey into bells, not bells into Pokey. Well, I don't have a whole lot of Pokey anyway, but that's handy. All right, I have both of these. How much is the wagon? Let's see if we can afford it now. Oh, that's very affordable. I almost want to buy two at that price, but I only have room for one. I don't think I have this floor lamp yet. Excuse me, spotlight. So there, we've got that. Bye, Wardell. Just want to say morning. Whoop, there we go. Morning. What's up, my friend? Nothing, I just wanted to say hi because I think you're adorable. All right, let's get to work. Yeah, I'm ready to work. I'm not sure if I'm gonna finally go do Tipper's house or if we want to find somebody new. I feel like I've just been struggling these mornings. I don't know why. It's 8:30 and I've been up for a couple hours and I still Just feel like I just got out of bed. This is why I wish I liked coffee. You know, you want a nice house by the sea. Could be fun to give them the one with the 2 piers. You want to be outside, so we could do an indoor outside thing. Oh, a park where she can eat lunch. That might be pretty to do, actually. And how about you? I want good luck. Oh, I don't know Feng Shui, though. Feng Shui. That well. Oh, work with handicrafts. A little crafting room. That'd be fun. Ooh, I want a place with lots of pots for a hot pot potluck. Hot pot potluck. Let's see who we have in the cafe and the restaurant. I might go with the crafting room. Although I do still need to do Tipper's Ranch. But I kind of want to do houses I haven't done yet. Just, oh, look who's here. The Japanese style backdrop. I want to rock out. I probably have to take our new little friend. She's so popular right now, too. Everybody wants her on their island. I want to rock out in front of a Japanese backdrop. I think we'll just do that. Studio style for band practice. Yeah, I mean, come on, let's just stop playing around here. Let's see if I can talk to her. It's a little bit of a tight fit here. No, okay, let's find an angle. There we go. Hi, Shino. Sniff that air, herbal tea, coffee. They're playing all the hit smells. 10 out of 10 Snoop points, right? I'm here for some R&R. How about you? Oh, you're a home designer, a vacay home designer. So I want a vacay home, but I need a vacay housing specialist to help me set it up. Can you do that? I can sure try. You mean it? That's so awesome. Let's get building a vacation palace. I think if I take the I have some ideas option, I can kind of lead the design and pick out the theme. I forgot now, but I like to see what they want. Oh, look at Meringue out there on the beach doing her exercises. Let's get this party started. For my dream vacay palace, I'm thinking of something like a stage to jam for Japan. All right. Oh, those are the Zen benches. I think that's what they're called. I almost used in another design. Finally, we can use one of the cherry blossom sites. Oh, and if you hear any like little clicky or banging sounds, the wind has picked up here. It's a little windy out today, and the screen outside my window, it seems to be a little bit looser. Just something out there is hitting the side of the window a little bit. So I'm sorry. I thought we had that fixed, but apparently we did not. So, we've got to go with the cherry blossoms. That's neat because the house looks like it's up on a stage even. Like the audience could be down in the lower tier, but I'm not going to do that. We'll just go with this one just surrounded by cherry blossoms. The home we prepare for you can either have one floor or 2. Just gonna leave it up to me. Let's just do 1 level right now. I know I could pick 2 and still just only do the first floor, but I need just 1 level today. We'll add a 2nd floor maybe at a later date. So maybe if we get her a roommate at some point. Oh, she's so cute. I love her horns. They're so pretty. Oh, that looks so pretty. The blossoms at that level. Cherry blossom trees, I mean. It's the perfect spot. My vacay home will be right here. I'm super excited. Okay. All right, Moxie, I'm going to leave you to it. Oh my gosh, I cannot read correctly at all today. So we gotta change the house. We'll go with a nice big house because we are planning on upgrading it to a 2-story at some time. I feel like this style fits in nicely with the cherry blossoms. See what all colors it comes in. and styles. I think I like the simple Zen exterior. Oh, the classy Zen is nice too. Standard Zen. What's the difference between simple, standard? I guess it's just the, oh, it's just the color that's different. I'm like, nothing else is changing. God. Oh, my head sometimes. I like that color, the reddish brown. Let's see what doors we like. That's just too ornate and fancy. That's almost too simple. Might like the brown. Do we have more of a reddish brown? I love the red. Do we have a red roof? Maybe let's do a red roof. Whoa, that's bright. That's almost a little too bright. Might go, what? I just saw one that I really liked. Maybe it was that. That's just too busy for my taste. That's it for now. The door just stands out as kind of classy. Not classy, a pop of color. My mind is wandering while I'm talking. This can't be good. Okay, so I think that's pretty. I might wait and do the exterior later and just get the inside done. Now, let's see what's on the order, though. I mean, we could do a little spot for her out here, but I think I want to just get started. How big is that? Oh, that's pretty. I mostly just want to get started on the interior. I do love this tree, though. That's so pretty. Yeah, I'm just going to put that there for now, and we will do inside. Okay. Well, just notice the microphone's a little far away from my face again. Okay, let's go see what we've got in here. We're probably gonna make it a big 10 by 10. Give her a little stage area, but also a little chill area. Maybe this, yeah, the audience can sit on the Zen seats. All right. Let's just turn this off for now. It makes me hard. It makes me hard. It makes it hard for me to think sometimes if the music's a little too loud. I need just the happy, chill designing music. And we don't need any special sound yet. I won't worry about the entryway or lighting until we've got a little bit more picked out. Do we have any? Oh, yeah, I want to put the Tory outside. Could do one as we enter the front door, but I think I want that outside. Any wallpaper for the order? Yes. Oh, that's pretty. I did the fireworks wall in Zucker's house, but it could be pretty here as well, too. Like she's on stage in front of this big, beautiful view. Might do that. Let us now go over to the panel. Partition walls. I always call them panels, and they're partition walls. I know this is kind of just becoming a habit. Almost, I hope it's not a lazy habit where I just create these, just a view. I kind of like the wider view though, like that. I can't remember. Did I download? Get the glow in the dark stickers. Did I download some updated custom patterns? I can't remember. Let's see what we have. Look. Oh, no, I want to customize it. To look like a railing or anything. Oh, I do have a railing. Let's see how the brown one looks. Whoop. Okay, trying to move it. That's kind of neat. Yeah, it's weird how it kind of moves a little bit when I turn the camera and stuff, but I kind of like that. Now we've got to pick out flooring, and then we'll use maybe some area rugs to make it look like she has a little stage. Oh gosh, I just took my dogs out and I hear them moving around in there. So now I have to keep one ear on the dogs. No. I think I want it a little bit darker. A stage to jam for Japan. Should we do like the, is there club flooring or something like that? I forget, yeah. I actually maybe like that. Maybe, should we put her like in the center of the room with people around her watching her? Would that work? Like with some columns or something to find a little stage area? I don't know. I think we want 2 speakers. I'll probably do them in a little different color too than the green. So what if this is just her stage right here? What kind of column? I don't know if I want to go with wooden just to kind of match what we've got going here. I don't know. This might look a little weird. And like the columns would block views. I'm just trying to think of how to create just a little space. Like, just for her. Like, this is her. You can sit all around and watch her jamming out in the center part. I don't know. Have to think on that a little bit. Let's just sort of live with it for a minute. I know this isn't the cutest cherry blossom pattern, but I kind of like it. I want to see what it looks like. It's too busy. Let's go back to either red or white. Let's keep it red for now. Because what if we did... like this way people could sit here and watch her perform rather than a separate chill out area. I don't know, this is so different than what I was picturing doing for her originally though. Whoop. I'm just gonna go with it for now. If I don't like it, we'll just change it and do something else. I do like the smoke cured bamboo look. Yeah, that's pretty. Let's see what else we want to use. What else? I know we can do the hanging lights. Floor monitor maybe in front of where she stands. Confetti blower maybe. An amp. I love the cherry blossom lanterns. So you can't see them with the pillars. So that's what's kind of bumming me out with the pillars. So now I'm thinking maybe we will move her stage area more to the front here. The swirly bit in the front here can be like a dance floor. Let's see. The little wooden, like for a stage. Although I guess with this flooring, she doesn't really need a separate stage. I just feel like the area, the space should be designed a little bit. That kind of works. I'm going to get rid of these for now. We'll put the speakers next to the stage. All right, which dog? I'm turning around to see which dog is staring at me. Oh, whoever it was just skedaddled. As soon as they heard me start to turn, they skedaddled to the sofa. They probably want more cuddle time like we had yesterday. Do I want to do maybe some counters or something? Let's just start just fiddling with all of our different options. Sorry about all my little musings and everything. I don't usually come into these with like a grand plan or, I see other people do these amazing builds on Instagram and I feel inspired by them. But then by the time I come and sit down at my desk at my Switch, I've kind of just completely forgotten or lost all ideas I had. Oh, I know what I'm looking for. Yeah, I don't think I love the shoji divider, but I don't think I'm going to use it. Let's look at the tension pull rack. That could be pretty in front of the partitions. What color? Maybe the ash? Let's just do natural for now, see how we even like it. Well, because this way at least we've got a little surface we can put some stuff on. Is that a bit much? That might be a bit much even. Maybe not for this build, maybe the plain one. Might not even really need that, but maybe just one on... Oh, she loves them. Gotta put the disco ball in too. Oh, now I'm covering up the dance floor that was seating. Okay. Let's move you in just a skosh. Okay, that's all off center. Oh, wow. Yeah, even the... Okay. I thought I was going to try and do a little, like... Never mind. Like, never mind. Oh, my dog is whining. Why? I need to go check on her. All right, I'm going to pause for a minute right here. I'm so sorry. I will be right back. All right. I just almost hit stop recording instead of unpause. That would have been horrible. All right, so where were we? That maybe looks a little busy right there. I like the idea. I want to make like a little bar. This room feels tight. Yeah, so my dog wanted to go outside, not to use the bathroom, but because our next door neighbor loves to put mostly bread or other leftover food, but mostly bread up on the fence between both of our yards. I think it's for the squirrels. Last time they were out, Duchess, our dog, found some bread that some birds were out there chewing on. So she chased the birds off and took the bread for herself and wanted to go back out and see if there was any left. Oh, look. I put the microphone next to her and she's singing. Oh, that's adorable. Whoop, I meant to just grab all of these. Because if we move these up a little bit, we can make like a little bar and chill area in the back. Maybe a little, like a little, do we want a little VIP spot? I don't know if I have room for that. Oh my God, she's so cute. I might have to move her because that can get a little distracting, but I really like it. Let's look at, I feel like we need an amp and let's see. I can't remember now what the exact name of the room was. Was it, oh, I like the red with the, I think that might be neat. Yeah, stage to jam. So we need some instruments and stuff. She is adorable. Ooh, the sword and samurai suit would be neat as decor in here too if I could get them to fit. Would she have a pedal board? Maybe. Let's find like a rock guitar or something. Oh, I'm going to do the hanging lights, not the floor lights. I definitely, I mean, I'm trying to say, my words are slurring again. I like the bamboo speakers better than the PA speakers. Could give her a floor monitor maybe. Excuse me. We've got a regular acoustic guitar. Well, maybe that's what she uses. Does she play cello? Surprised there's not the rock guitar. I guess I haven't seen that yet. Cherry, of course, because we've got cherry. Oh, that's sweet though too. Pink with cherry blossoms on it. Oh, let me have a sip of tea. Having my usual, sinus issues. They're never ending. Oh wait, should this be next to the amp? Let's move the amp over. Put the guitar there. Yeah, let's make the amp black. We're gonna put all, oh, she's playing the guitar now. Let's make this black. Oh, well, it still has blue. Oh, she's adorable. Look at her. I want to zoom in on her with the camera. But it's okay. I'll do it later. I don't like the foot pedal. But does she play the gong? Oh, that's pretty. She loves the guitar. Do we want, let's see, what else could we do for this stage? Do we want bubbles? Maybe a confetti blower would be fun. Again, this is when I wish I could angle things. I want to see what it looks like, if I can get to it. Well, that's a little disappointing. I want to see, you know what? Can this fit in here? It's really neat. Oh, looks good in all of the colors. Bell bag, I don't think so. Gyroid, cute. Go with just the text for now. I want to see something. I wonder if I should put it. It won't really fit behind her. Well, it might with her standing under it. If I move these over, I just want to put some more visual interest up front. Oh, still gotta move stuff. Okay, just move you out of the way altogether for now. No. Oh, maybe if I might have to make the stage just a little bigger. Can I put her in there now? She's so cute. That is kind of a tight stage, but that sort of works for me. I wish she were still playing her guitar. Okay. Bamboo partitions. I like these too. I'm not sure what I would wear or why I would use them. Could be for like a VIP area. Oop. Oop. Hitting all the wrong buttons again like I usually do. Like the little, instead of like a champagne room, but or whatever, a little VIP spot to listen. What kind of seating would we put in there? Hi, Scarlett. Hi, kitty kitty. Wow, good girl. She jumped right up on the sofa without yelling at me or anything. I've totally gone past seating. Maybe use some Zen cushions and stuff. Put in the Imperial bed. That'd be kind of an interesting VIP room. Pile of Zen cushions, floor seats. Let's try the crane. There we go, there we go. Like a place to just come chill. I don't know about the big pile of cushions though, that's a little odd. What else can we use? I wish there was like a little floor table. Could maybe, sorry, my voice keeps cutting out. Could maybe use these in here, not in that spot, but like, they're a little low for a bar. I was thinking maybe for in front here to put some decor of some sort on. Can't put the speakers on them, but that's all right. I think I still like the bright red. Move this here. Oh. There we go. That's kind of neat. Still don't know what all I'm doing in this little private area. Do we have an area rug that would fit there? Could even make it that small. That seems awful small though. Let's do real seating. and make that just a little lighter because I didn't like that brown with the red rug. Although now I don't know what kind of seating. Should we put a... I'm not going to put the bar there. We'll put the bar in the other corner. What do we have? Too bad this doesn't come in like a solid and not a patchwork. Because it's the right shape and size for what I want to do in here. But kind of tacky. Yeah, it's tacky. Could just do, you know what, the box sofa works. Like a little booth. Black. Yeah. And black over here. This way we can maybe give them a little table for their drinks. I just like the idea of a little, why, what did I do here? Do I not have... Oh, I don't have it all the way against the wall. I'm like, why am I even failing at making a little box sofa corner? So we've got room now for a little end table. Do we have a karaoke machine? That would be kind of fun to have in the little VIP area. Or maybe they have the bubble machine there. Probably the cool table. Cool side table. Black. Check which way I've got it facing. I forgot in one build I forgot to turn it, so the legs were a little crazy. I don't love the black, but it's not so terribly bad. I don't want to put a little table in front of it or anything. I think a table in front of the bench is going to look a little too crowded. I don't know. Whoops. Like, that's just too many tables. I just kind of want to scroll through everything again. I haven't figured out what I want to do for a bar. Actually, let's do that next. Dudgy, I'll be out in a little bit, sweet girl. She's just whining again. Tall wooden. Probably the wooden. Gold would be fancy. Go with just the tall wooden. I want to keep all the wood sort of a similar hue. Columns on the sides, I guess. Oops, yep. Did I leave room? I did. So then some bar seats. Thought there were, yeah, maybe these. Do they come in dark, like black? Yeah. Just because we have the other black furniture, maybe? All right, that kind of works. Oh, the disco ball, too. I'll have to remember to do a disco ball. You can move these back. They don't have to be so scrunched. That way she has a little room to move around. Okay, let's figure out what we want on the bar. Maybe some sushi. There we go. Just do 3 across maybe, or is that a little boring? Put some drinks in the VIP area. Strawberry soda looks yummy. I used to like drinking strawberry soda. I haven't had that in a very long time. Probably, God, I can't talk at all. A little sweet for my taste these days. Let's do one of those, one of those. Okay, I want to put some plants and stuff too. Probably cherry blossom. Let's just see how this is looking. I need to kind of run around the room. I feel like we're almost done. I just have to put a few finishing touches on. And we'll turn her speakers back on and get her some music. We've got to do some wall decor, lighting. I still kind of want something for in the center here, but yeah. Do we want just two? Maybe do two of those. Too bad they won't fit that way. I know this kind of blocks off the stage from view, but I also feel like it gives whoever's hanging in this room a little privacy for whatever they're doing in this room. I don't know, though. I kind of like the idea that they can see the stage. Yeah. I wish, yeah, I'd like to frame that off a little bit better, but I think that works. I think the pillars would be a little too big. Let me play. That's a little bit neater visually, but then not much room then. For entry. No. But that might work just like that. Forgive me while I just play a little bit more. I want it to feel a little bit more like its own secluded private space, but where they could kind of peek out at the stage if they wanted to. That works a little better, I think. Makes it seem a little more like an actual room. Yeah, I think I'm okay with that. Let's see what all else we have. Oh, I do love the paper lanterns. They're so pretty. Okay, now that is a tighter fit now getting through there. I keep moving these seats. Not really room for two. Let's look at ceiling. Oh, paper lanterns. Disco ball and paper lanterns. Oh, that's new too. Definitely have to have the disco ball. What color choices? Silver. Oh, rainbow's pretty. I think just the silver though, or gold. Gold with the red, maybe? Let's see it in the silver. Yeah, I want the silver. I guess I'm just a traditionalist when it comes to my disco balls. Is this stuff the same depth? No, that's why it's all looking a little off to me. I didn't have that back all the way. I knew something didn't feel right. And I think the paper, the hanging, yeah. Probably keep them in the red and gold. I like that, the festival. Let's do good fortune. Oh my gosh, my dog is just being so sad out there whining. think this now is just please come cuddle with me whining. That looks a little busy. Maybe just in front of the bar here. Can I move him back a little? No. Dutchie, you need to stop, baby. She's being really extra pathetic. Oh, there we go. I'm trying to put it to the front of the pillars. There we go. That's kind of neat. I know I wanted to do some stage lighting too, but I don't want it to get too busy. Let's see how a couple of them will look. Do we have a red? Oh, she loves it. I knew she would. Whoop, I had it and then lost it. There we go. That's important. I know we can do some more stuff around the sides here too. Okay, let's look at everything. I want to find some good decor to use. Oh, now I wish I had room for the imperial table in the little VIP area. I don't think I do, though. If I got rid of the side tables, I'm just wondering if there'd be room to move around or anything. I don't think there'll be move. Even if I got rid of the side tables, it would be impossible to move. Oh, well. I really love that table. It makes me want to go out for some Chinese food. Yummers. What else? What else? What else? What am I missing besides pretty decor things? Oh, I didn't use the lantern. Maybe we'll use those outside. I know I still need to do the outside. I'll probably do that either in another video or... Like, I know I need to do a few exteriors, so maybe that'll be a separate video, fixing up exteriors. Can we fit these in anywhere? I love the big pine tree. I don't know if it'll fit in here, though. Might be neat. Yeah, though, that's like ridiculously big. I love how it looks, though. And those are so big, too. But I really want to put them around the room. I wish they would go on things. Maybe we'll just lose these. She doesn't need stuff on there. That's pretty. I love the cherry blossoms. They're so pretty. So just have like a wall of cherry blossoms. Is that a bit much, or do we like it? I kind of like it. I don't know. That's a bit much. It's not special. Oh, as I create more of them, it's not special when you know, have a whole room loaded up. Plus, they don't fit back against the wall. Dutchie, baby girl, mommy will be out in a little bit. I'm sorry, guys. She is so unhappy right now, and I don't know why. No, I can't fit both of those there. I had hoped. Okay, just lose it. So what do we want then along the side walls? Do I want the Zenlo boards? A couple of these here, maybe then? I do like them. I don't want to overcrowd the space either, which I'm starting to do. I don't know what I'm trying to do. I just see big empty space and I'm trying to fill it. I think that one over there in the corner here like this is fine. Let's see what little goodies we have for it. I wish I had the little cherry blossom bonsai, but I don't have that unlocked yet. I don't have that recipe on my new island. I'll see if it's available, but I don't think it is. So probably just one plant on there, and then pretend if somebody wanted to, they could just kind of sit down, take a load off. That's pretty. All right, do we want stuff on the walls or do we want to kind of keep it simple? I also, I know technically you can't really hang anything on these walls, although we could above the windows or the screens. But I'm not feeling it. I feel like the walls are just so pretty on their own. I don't really want to cover them up or overdo it, if that makes sense. I think we're just about done. We could do a little candle, actually. Maybe. No, the candle doesn't go. I still want to do something over here. I just don't know. Maybe a couple of the Zen cushions over here? Or like additional seating? And then one more over here? I mean, that's not bad. I wish these reds went a little better together. All right, I'm kind of happy with that. Oh, I wish I could close off. I don't think I have a pattern for the top part of the window, but that's all right. You can't really see it from here. Let's put on the music. She had KK Folk on. Let's listen to it for a second. It's not bad. It's kind of neat. Let's see what this one's like. Oh, I like that one too. I used to have that. I think we'll go back to folk because that's kind of what the default song was. And I want to, if it's a song she likes, I want to have what she likes. I can't even get to her. I think we're done. I hope this hasn't upset anybody who's a big fan of hers. I wanted to be kind of a fun place to perform, but also have a little bite of sushi at the bar, go chill in your own little VIP area. So, yeah. I hope it's okay. Oh. Is everything ready? Okay. It's ready. We can head upstairs another time. That might be fun. Could do a little restaurant. Oh, that might be fun. A little restaurant upstairs. My little karaoke bar. You spent all this time building this just for me. I'm so happy. You did amazing, Moxie. Oh my gosh, she's dancing. She's so happy. I'm overall mostly happy with this. I still can't talk. But I think it's good. It's just a fun place to sit and chill, watch her perform. She's adorable. I see why she's so popular. I love her eyeshadow. Oh, that's cute. I kind of now want to do the upstairs and outside. So maybe I will do a second video for that later today or sometime in the next couple of days. Oh, you're welcome. I would love to take some snaps, and I'm going to leave you dressed just the way you are. You are perfection. So I think she should be back up at the stage singing. I wish she could reach her guitar. So let's find a good angle. That's not it. Trying to find just the right angle to kind of highlight what we've done here. That's kind of fun. Zoom out just a little. Those lanterns were awfully close. I wish she were singing. Oh. Look up here, baby girl. She's looking down at like the monitor. That's funny. Oh! I don't know if I want the one with her. Let's do this one. I was like, I don't know if I want the one with her eyes closed or not. I think we'll go with that last one. Yeah. I think this came out kind of cute. It's funny. It felt like 10 by 10 rooms felt so huge when we first got this DLC, but now it's like, I need even more room. I'm heading back. I will come visit you another time, Shino. Thank you. She's so pretty. I see why everybody wants her. I wouldn't mind having her on my island. Hi, Lottie. All right, this time you've earned 15,000 Pokey. Finished for today? I am finished. I need to go spend some time with my dogs. They're getting very antsy out there. They're so spoiled. And I wouldn't have it any other way. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and keep an eye out. Hit that subscribe button and maybe turn on notifications. Give a little like, but keep an eye out because I think we're going to do a part 2 for Shino. I think a little upstairs dining room would be awesome. I don't think I have a karaoke machine, but maybe we can set up something that looks like a little karaoke lounge or something. So I think that'll be a lot of fun. See you then. Take care.